Yeah, so I just received my package from Raximo, the Raximo levers, clutch levers, brake levers. And yeah, pretty excited. They're looking pretty solid. Can adjust your handle right here. It's foldable for in case you drop your bike. I hope it will never happen, but hey, you never know. And yeah, adjustable right there. So they're fully adjustable levers. Like the color. I ordered the ones with the adjuster in orange too, but they weren't on stock, and it's gonna take a while to get them back on stock. So I said, don't worry, black will do the thing, and yeah, I'm real happy with them. Looking good. That's the first package of the day. Normally I will receive another box from KTM today with all kinds of stuff new for the bike. So yeah, I'm pretty looking forward to it. So another unboxing later on the day, guys. Bye.